Hello everyone. Today, for those who are starting Binance for the first time, I will guide you step by step through everything from sign up and deposit to how to trade futures in a simple and easy way. Before we begin, if you sign up through the link in the description below the video, you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and bonus rewards, so I highly recommend registering through that link. First, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance. First, if you access Binance through the link in the description below the video, you will see the Binance sign up page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you can see that a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and bonus rewards are being offered. Please enter your email address or mobile phone number. Then, check the box to agree to the terms below, and click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word shown in the top left corner. Then, a verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone, and please enter the verification code you received. Next, please enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If the inviter code page appears, please enter BB333. Then you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and bonus rewards. If you followed these steps up to here, your Binance sign-up will be successfully completed. Next, I'll show you how to complete KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, KYC verification is required. Since KYC verification includes a face verification step, we will continue the process on a mobile device. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, and log in with the account you just created. Then, you will be taken to the identity verification screen. First, please select your country. Next, you can proceed with ID verification, using the identification document you have. I'll continue using a passport for this example. Now, please select Take Pictures, to take photos of your ID. Then click Continue. Next, please align the passport information page within the camera frame and take a photo. At this step, make sure there are no shadows or light reflections. Next, let's proceed with facial verification. Align your face within the frame on the screen, and follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Then, the identity verification process will be completed. The KYC verification review usually takes about 1 hour. And shortly after, you will be able to see that your verification is complete. Next, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator. Please return to the PC screen. From the left menu, click Account, and select Security. Next, to set up Google Authenticator, please click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone, and please enter the verification code you received. Then, a QR code pop-up will appear. Now, please download Google Authenticator on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, tap the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now, please click Next on your PC screen. Next, enter the 6-digit code in the Authenticator app code field. Then, the Google Authenticator setup is complete. Second, I'll show you how to deposit funds into Binance. There are several ways to make a deposit, but I'll show the process using on-chain deposit. To begin, please click the wallet icon in the top right corner. If you look at the menu below, Spot is your deposit and withdrawal wallet, and Futures is your futures trading wallet. First, to make a deposit, please click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Deposit Crypto. Please select the coin you want to deposit. Most people usually use USDT. Next, please select the network. Most people choose TRX because transfers are fast, and the fees are usually low. Then, a deposit address for the coin will be generated. Now, please copy this deposit address. Next, go to the exchange or personal wallet, where your cryptocurrency is stored. To send your crypto to Binance, please click Withdraw. Next, select the same coin as on Binance. Choose the same chain type as on Binance. Now, paste the deposit address you copied from Binance into the wallet address field. Enter the amount you want to send, then click Confirm. After a short while, you will see the coins arrive in your Binance Spot wallet. Third, I'll show you how to trade futures on Binance. To start futures trading, you need to transfer your coins from spot to futures. Please click Spot, then click Transfer in the top right corner. Transfer from fiat and spot to USD futures. Select the coin you want to transfer and enter the amount. Then click Confirm. And shortly after, the coins will be transferred to futures. Now, let's start futures trading. Please click Futures in the top left menu and select USD futures. You will now be taken to the futures trading page. If you click this button in the top left, you can select the coin you want to trade. In the menu on the right, you can set up your futures trade in detail. If you click this button, you can choose the margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open a position. Isolated uses only a portion of your margin to open positions. If you're a beginner, I recommend using Isolated for safer trading. If you click this button, you can adjust the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. The higher the leverage, the higher the potential profit, but the higher the risk of loss as well. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with low leverage for safer trading. Below that, you can set the order type. A limit order lets you set the price you want to buy or sell at. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Here, you can see your available margin. Next, please set the price and amount for your trade. Finally, if you click this button, you can choose the position direction. If you think the price will go up, choose buy long. If you think the price will go down, choose sell short. Now, click the positions button below to view the status of your open position. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the price at which your position will be automatically liquidated. P&L shows your current profit or loss. In the TPSL for positions section, click the pencil icon to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, under Market Close All, select Market or Limit to close your position. Then, your position will be fully closed. Today, I've shown you step by step how to get started with Binance, from signing up and making a deposit to trading futures, in a simple and easy way. If you have any questions while watching the video, please leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Your subscriptions and likes mean a lot to me and give me great motivation. Thank you for watching until the end.